If you want to send a secure, password-protected email in Gmail, you can set it up in just a few steps. Start by opening Gmail on your computer or phone and clicking on the Compose button to start a new message. Go ahead and write out your email exactly as you usually would. Type in the recipient's email address, add your subject line, and attach any files or documents you need to send. Now, before you hit send, look down at the bottom right-hand corner of your Compose window and click on the small padlock icon with a clock on it. This toggles confidential mode. A new settings menu will pop up on your screen. Here, you can customize how long the recipient has access to your message. By default, Gmail sets this to expire in 1 week, but you can click the drop-down menu and change it to expire in 1 day, 1 month, 3 months, or even up to 5 years. Once that expiration date hits, the email completely vanishes from their inbox. The important thing is how you lock the email. Under the Require Passcode section, you need to click and select SMS passcode instead of the standard option, then click Save. The critical trade-off here is that you must manually enter the recipient's mobile phone number before sending. This is the only way Google can verify their identity. It means you absolutely need to know their current phone number, which can be a bit of a hurdle if you do not have it on hand. Once you type in their phone number and click Send, Gmail encrypts the message. When the recipient opens the email on their end, they will not see your content right away. Instead, they will see a prompt asking them to verify their identity. They will have to click a button to request a passcode, which Google instantly sends to their mobile phone via text message. They just need to copy that code, type it into the security box, and click Submit to reveal your email. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.